Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to quickly face swap with Gemini Nano Banana Pro using a simple prompt. Let's get started. First, open Google Gemini and start a new chat. Now, click the plus icon to add your images. First, upload the photo containing the body, pose, or scene you want to use. Then, upload the second photo containing the face you want to use. Make sure both images are uploaded successfully before continuing. Now, enter the face swap prompt provided in the video description and send your request. Gemini will now process the images and generate the result. This may take a little time, so wait for the image to finish. And there you go! Your face swapped image is ready! That's how you can quickly create a face swap in Gemini using 2 images and a simple prompt. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more AI tutorials.